Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have a 2014 Honda Civic, and in this video I'll show you how to replace your taillight bulbs. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the trunk, pull it up. Over here we have our trunk. Okay, so in order it should be like this. In order to get to the bulbs in this light, they made it nice. You don't have to remove the light no more, like you used to do it before. Now what we have to do, we have to remove these clips. Okay, so first thing you want to do, you want to remove 1, 2, 3 clips. So let's do this now. Alright, so to remove a clip, I'm using a flathead screwdriver. And how we do it, you put it in between. As you can see, there's a little gap. You put the screwdriver in, and once the top is off, you can actually pull the bulb out. I'm sorry, bulb. You can pull the clip out. So same thing goes with all other. Easy, see? Click. Comes out really easy. So next step, this rubber, move it aside a little bit, and this cover here goes. Okay, all right, and now from here you can actually get to the bulbs. So to get it out, spin it, take it out. If you need to remove it, just pull it out with your hand. When you have the new replacement bulb, same way, put it back in and guide it in and spin till it clicks. Here, same thing. Turn signal, spin it, pull it out. The bulb removes easy. I'll try to show you now. Like this. Just take it out and put it in. No problem. Some people advise to use gloves if you do this and don't touch the bulb with your bare hand, but I'm not sure if that's necessary. So once you have it in place, spin it. Once it's good, it's good. Okay, so this is how you do it. It's very simple. So now let's put everything back together. Align this and put the clips in and close them with the finger. Then close it. Once you have all the clips in, you're all set, and just align the rubber and you're all set. So guys, if this helps, press like and have a great day. Bye.